Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video because we are trying out colored contacts from MYEYEBB. They sent me a couple pairs of their contacts. I started to do an unboxing. I was like, ooh, I need to try these on. So we are going to try them on, play around. I'm still wearing the last pair that I tried on, so just to give you a hint of how gorgeous they are. But you guys, before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what other colored contacts I received and tried on and how they look and compare to my natural Hazel eyes, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we have talked about how I absolutely love trying out different colored contacts or different styles because I have hazel eyes, but I've always wondered what I would look like with different colors. So I've partnered with MYEYEBB and they have sent me a couple pairs of their contact lenses. If I remember correctly, I got to pick out one or two pairs and then they sent me one that they thought. I can't remember. I know that I unpackaged this in my unboxing, which will probably actually go up after this because I really want to try these out, play around with them, show them for you guys. They did give me a discount code. I think there's two actually. I'll link them down below because each one does something a little bit differently. So definitely go and check that out, especially if you're thinking about picking up contact lenses and trying them. I know when I first tried contact lenses, I wasn't completely comfortable just touching my eye or applying them. I will tell you that one, it's gotten easier, and two, I absolutely love seeing how my eyes change, kind of like shape shifting a little bit. Just my eyes are always my favorite feature to accentuate when it comes to makeup or now playing around with colored contacts. And I was just looking at their site. They released some new styles and I'm like, oh, I really want to try those. They look like a lot of fun. I don't honestly remember what's in here, so we are going to unbox them, try them on. I'm going to show you my natural eye color along with one of theirs so you can see the difference. I get a lot of questions about, do they cover your eye color completely? Some do, some don't. It just depends on the style. Let's see. So there are 3 different pairs in here. I'm excited for this. Mine, however, do not have a prescription. I have 20/20 eye vision, but I do sometimes wear blue light glasses when I'm working on my computer for long periods of time. Otherwise, you can get them with prescriptions if you're required or need them for your everyday usage. Now, they did also give me an applicator. So this has like the little tong to pick up the eye, to pick up the lens, and then also the little kind of like section to place it easily on your eye. It is a game changer. I love that they included this. It makes it so much easier to apply your contacts without sticking your finger. Just make sure before each usage, you clean it, sanitize it, make sure it's good for the next time. And then they did also give me 3 cases for them so that I can store them and make sure they're good to go. They each have their own little case. Now, looking at these, the styles, ooh, I'm excited to try these. One looks gray, one looks like it's got a little bit of pink, and then this one, ooh, has a little bit of blue. We're gonna try these on and find out what they look like together. So let me figure out which one I want to try first, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, you guys, so for this video, the left eye is always going to be my natural eye color. So left for me is right for you, but then this eye will always be the colored contact. The style I have in right now is Tiny Iris Gray. I do like how gray contacts look on me. It just changes it a little bit. So my natural eye color has shades of blue, gray, green, and brown. I love my eye color. Do not get me wrong. I absolutely love my natural hazel eyes. However, I do like accentuating some of those colors, with this being gray. So it did make my iris much smaller and it accentuated the gray so much more than the green or the brown that I have. So my natural eye color has kind of a darkish gray, not really blue, but more dark gray than like this one. So there is a little bit of gray around the outside. Then you've got the lighter gray, and then you kind of have like a brown iris area. It's very similar to what I have in right now, but it accentuates the gray way more than my natural eye color. So the MYEYEBB iris, what is this? The Tiny Iris Gray, and then my natural eye color. You guys are gonna have to let me know what you think, which one are your favorites. I do like playing around with some of the more extreme colors. I think I'm gonna leave the bluish shade for last because I wanna see. But I really like how this looks because it kind of makes my eye look a little bit larger as far as the color. Do you guys see it? Like the gray on the outside, the dark gray is more pronounced than my natural eye color. I could probably wear this to work and people not really realize because I have some gray in my eye color, but not as dominant as it is with this contact. Let me know your thoughts. Let me go ahead, switch out my contacts, and I will let you know what the second pair is. Okay, you guys, I have the next style, and this is Tyrant Brown. Really pretty. Looking at it close up, it kind of looks like it has like hues of pink in there. And one thing I did notice on the containers, it does tell you like the life cycle for them. So all three of my pairs are 1 year, but you can look to see how long they're going to last when you're purchasing them. And then of course, if you purchase multiple pairs and don't open them all at the same time, you can see what the life cycle is. So when you do open them, you're not wearing them for too long. Make sure that you're switching them out as required, especially also cleaning them to make sure that you don't get bacteria in your eyes. You don't want to contaminate, but that's just my safety precautions. Anyways, you guys, these contacts, these are so comfortable. I will tell you, it's so easy to apply them. This shade is gorgeous. So natural hazel color, it's leaning a little bit like gray and green right now, but this side right here with the brown, I am getting little like flakes of pink through here, and then the brown tan shade, and then the outer portion has a darker gray on the exterior. I'm really liking these. Really gorgeous. Y'all are gonna have to let me know which pair is your favorite. I do have one more pair and I'm really excited to put it on because it's such a bold color, but I love being able to just kind of change up my look. So natural hazel, Tyrant Brown, really pretty. And see, like growing up, my family predominantly has brown eyes. I always wondered, I was like, what would I look like with brown eyes? I do love my hazel eyes because they're different than what everyone else in my family has. So I don't take that for granted, but I do like being able to switch it up a little bit. Let me go switch out these pairs and show you the last set that I have. Okay, you guys, this one is probably the most pronounced color difference. This is mint blue. Look how stunning she is. Oh my goodness, isn't she pretty? I love this. Growing up, I always wondered what it would be like to have blue eyes. This is stunning. Does it look like natural eyes that I could wear to work? Not necessarily, but it is so blue, so pretty, very bold, definitely pops. Compared to my hazel, this is gorgeous. I will probably wear this a lot outside of work. I don't think I can wear it to work, but outside of work, I really like this. So with this pair, there is like a line around the outside, kind of a grayish shade, but then you have the dark blue and then you have the icy blue that's just kind of giving that star shade effect. Oh, I really like this. And I feel like looking at it close up and looking at it far away kind of gives a different dimension of the color as well. I like this. 3 different pairs, 3 different colors. I had gray, brown, and now this very beautiful blue. Which ones are your favorites? And are you picking up any of these pairs up? If not, so I highly encourage you to go and check out their website. I will link them down below along with my discount code. They have so many beautiful collections and pairs, and I was looking at it. I might want to pick some more up when I get back to the States. Like, I'm to the point now that I'm starting to wind down and not send stuff here. But when I get home, I think I need to expand my contact collection. These are fun. A lot of fun. Let me know your favorites. Definitely check out the comments. Go check out their website. Use my code if you want a discount. It is affiliated, so you get a little bit of a discount, or I think there's one buy 2 get the 3rd pair free. I will give all the details in the drop down box, so definitely check those out. You're gonna have to let me know. Do you like colored contacts? Do you like changing it up a little bit? I know, so I'm not necessarily a cosplay person, but I do like changing how dramatic my eyes can be, especially keeping it fairly neutral with my cosmetics as my eyeshadow, and then having that be my focus is my eye color. Very beautiful. I like this. Okay, you guys, I had to go ahead and put the other eye contact in because I wanted to give you guys the full effect of these mint blue contacts. Of the 3 pairs, I would say these stand out the most because they're so bold and bright and so different from my natural eye color. Was I meant to be blue-eyed? It's so gorgeous. I really like this. Y'all are gonna have to let me know what you think. Do you like the blue? Did you like the gray, brown? Do you like my natural hazel color? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you're picking anything up. Do you like colored contacts or do you prefer your natural eye color? I'm intrigued to know if there's anyone else out there like me that just ever wondered what it would look like to have a different eye color and just be able to switch it up. I know there's people out there. I see it all the time. Now, whether or not you like the dramatic, bold, beautiful, bright, or you like a little bit more subdued, closer to your natural eye color, I'm intrigued to know. Put it in the comments, we'll have that conversation. Definitely go and check out MYEYEBB. I will put their links down below, as well as my codes that you can use if you would like. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. If you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.